Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up smart light bulbs, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, gather all the materials you make sure you have your smart light bulbs, a compatible smartphone, and your Wi-Fi network in. Check if your smart light bulbs are compatible with your home automation system. Unbox your smart light bulbs carefully and remove any packaging. Screw the smart light bulbs into your existing light fixtures. Ensure that the bulbs are securely fitted to prevent any loose connections. Turn on the power to the light fixtures to activate the bulbs. Download the appropriate app for your smart light bulbs from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app once it is installed on your device. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to add a new device. When prompted, ensure your smartphone is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Select the specific model of your smart light bulb from the list provided. The app will prompt you to enter your Wi-Fi credentials for connection. Confirm the connection and wait for the app to find your smart bulbs. Once discovered, select your smart bulbs to add them to your account. Name each bulb to easily identify them later, such as living room or bedroom. Customize settings for your bulbs, such as brightness and color options. Test the bulbs to ensure they respond to app commands. You can also explore additional features like scheduling and automation settings. Make any adjustments necessary to suit your preferences. Finally, familiarize yourself with the app's interface for future use. Your smart light bulbs are now set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.